that the greatest mistake is to put faith in material gain. The government thinks that if you give money to people, they will support the government. It's wrong. I tried to tell the government, it is wrong. This brain thing is wrong. You must not make people dependent upon the government. You must give them knowledge, skills, so that they can be independent. But you give money to everybody, they don't even appreciate it. They never vote for the government. That was the greatest mistake made by the government. And following that, when you believe in material gain, then of course you need to find the money to give to people. Sometimes you do it in a proper way, sometimes it's not proper. Then people complain against you. So the biggest mistake, I think, is to change our value system from believing in principles to believing in material. You get something for yourself, you support. You don't get, you don't support. That will, lead this country to a very bad future. Thank you.